Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's afternoon live trading session. This is Kyriakos Charailaou, and we will continue our live trading room from the positions that we currently have open and running. Remember, from the morning session, we have shorted dollar yen. As you can see now, dollar yen, it has fallen a bit, didn't reach our take profit target, but is now again approaching our entry level position. So nothing important happened there. We have also shorted USD CHF. About USD CHF, we see that it has declined a bit, but then again it came to our entry level position. So no big movements at all today in Forex trading. However, I have spotted some trading opportunities, and the first short that we will open for this today's trading session is pound dollar. So we will sell market pound dollar, and also we will sell market euro yen, and of course we will sell market euro dollar. Now, let me post these trades before I put the stop loss and explain why we have shorted them. So let's start with pound dollar. We have shorted pound dollar. Now this is the pound dollar chart. We can see that we have a descending triangle pattern formation here. Now, if the price closes below yesterday's highs, I will open another short and we will go for this level, 133.35 as take profit. So our stop loss, however, must be above the highs of the day, which is at 134. So the stop loss is at 134 and the take profit is 1.3335. Now, let's move on to the next position. We need to keep monitoring that. I repeat, if it closes below yesterday's highs, that's the level. I will open an additional short position. The same case for euro dollar. We have just shorted it. Euro dollar is even more bearish now than pound dollar. It has a failure swing, ABC completed downward. Now, again, I want to repeat that if you don't know what is a failure swing, or if you have any questions regarding the measurements of the patterns or how the patterns can be used to trade, don't forget to visit our website, trademy.com. Our educational team are more than happy to assist you on that, and you can choose any educational program or training program you wish on technical analysis. Also, we can have a personal, if you wish, with me or with my colleague Elif, a personal one-to-one session if you wish to do so, to explain you exactly how we trade and what exactly is our trading methodology. Also, we are very happy to announce again that we have reached 2,500 followers on Twitter in just 3,000. Okay, 3,000 followers on Twitter in just 5 days. That's amazing. Thank you very much, guys. Keep following us on Twitter for live updates regarding the performance of the trading rooms and any other that has to, any other concept that has to do with trading. So we have, as I said, shorted pound dollar. I will place my stop loss at, as I have posted on the chat, at 134. The take profit is set at 133.35. And we have just placed that. Also, I have shorted euro yen. I have observed a failure swing broken to the downside. So I will use now my FIBO extension level and I will place my stop loss above the strongest psychological resistance level above 128.50. I will put it at 128.55. So we have shorted euro yen. Stop loss 128.55. My take profit now. Let's have a look on what happened yesterday on Friday on euro yen. Let me check. That was the movement. If we see again a close below this level, I will increase my short positions. So this is the level. If I see a close below it on a 5-minute chart, I will increase my short positions and we will go for this level 61.8, which is approximately at 127.80. So my take profit is 127.80 for euro yen, and the stop loss is at 128.55. So let me post that. I have just did it. So stop loss 128.55, take profit 127.80. Now, let's move on now to the third trade we have placed, which is euro dollar. We had a nice profit, long positions on euro dollar this morning, and now is the time to short euro dollar. We have just shorted it. Now, why we have shorted euro dollar? Similar patterns appear in all euro currencies. As you can see here, on the 15-minute chart, the RSI show weakness. We have higher highs on prices, equal or lower highs on the oscillator RSI. This is called negative divergence. Second element, we have observed a shooting star. And also these three candles, in technical analysis, we call them an evening star. An evening star is a bearish reversal top formation, which was confirmed by this candle on the 15-minute chart, which closed below the low of the last candle of the evening star. Also, prices break below the MA10, but most interestingly, they closed below the Friday's highs. So a lot of technical indications there. So we have opened a short position. Our stop loss, let me post that as well. We have shorted euro dollar. Our stop loss should be above today's highs. So today's high was 1.1743, 1.1745 is my stop loss. Eventually Forex have decided to move for today and gave us some signals, while in the morning was very monotony. But now we are in action, ladies and gentlemen, and ready to make money. The take profit, again, I will use the FIBO 61.8% retracement level of the Friday's move, which is at 116.80 more or less. So my take profit is at 116.80. I have just posted that. So stop loss is at 117.45, take profit 116.80. So that's it. Let me check if we have any other trading opportunities. Let me check euro yen, we have traded it. Let me check New Zealand US dollar. New Zealand US dollar, very interesting, but is very bullish. It crosses below MA. Okay, we can go short on New Zealand USD. Let me check on the 5-minute chart. Okay, if we have a break now below the MA50, it's a good short opportunity for New Zealand USD. So the Kiwi needs monitoring for short positions. Why now short? First of all, RSI went overbought and closed below and is now declining, which is a very good signal for the 5-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, also we observed again negative divergence. Okay, higher tops on prices, lower or equal tops on the RSI. Let me draw it so that it's crystal clear. Here are the higher tops on the prices. Here are the lower tops on the RSI. In overbought levels are even stronger. So I'm waiting on the 5-minute chart to break below MA50 and I will go short. So we need to closely monitor that. It's a very good short position. Again, I repeat, if it breaks below 50. We need a close below 50 on the 5-minute chart and we will go short. So we keep monitoring New Zealand USD. It's here on my screen. It cannot escape from this. Now let's see any other pairs. Let's see, for example, pound yen. Pound yen. Let me zoom a bit. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Is above the highs. Okay, another interesting pair. Most probably we are going for reversals, for intraday trend reversal signals in all pairs. So Let me check. 15 minute doesn't say much. It's still well above its highs. I definitely need to see a close below this level or a close below Friday's session highs to initiate any short positions. As you can see, no, there is no divergence. Let's switch to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is very interesting. Maybe we can place a sell limit here to get a better price. Let me check. MACD doesn't confirm short positions. No, pound yen is not a good idea for today. Euro CHF, let's check and see. Euro CHF, you see, is within a range all day. I mean, since the morning up to now, it has moved from 115.25 up to 115.52. That's only 25 pips. As I said before, today is a very narrow trading range day for the pairs. It seems that now we get some movements, but we will check and see. So for the moment, we have 5 pairs trading. I repeat, we have dollar yen. Let me put it on the screen. Again, it didn't move a lot. It's where we have shorted it. We have dollar CHF on the 15-minute chart. Again, you see here that it's exactly at our entry level of short position. We have pound dollar. We have shorted it. Is moving a bit against us. It's okay. Be patient. This is pound dollar. Euro yen. We have shorted euro yen. Let's see how it will move. It's again at the price where we have shorted it. And of course, we have euro dollar that we have shown before. Again, is more or less at the price that we have shorted it. Now, regarding the news, let's check and see if we have any important news coming straight now. Remember that the news, I personally don't use them to trade, but it's very important to know when the news are coming in order to avoid any volatilities at prices. So we have so far on Monday is a very quiet day. We just have at 2 o'clock UTC time, 5 o'clock Cyprus and Israel time factory orders on the US dollar, but that's at 5 o'clock. That's 1 hour from now. Nothing more interesting regarding the news announcements for today. It's a quiet day. It's a very narrow range trading day, but let's see what we get out of it. So that's it for me. This is the update for Forex. We are just waiting, very narrow, no big movements for today. So I will transfer you now to Elif for an update on the CFDs regarding European and American session markets. So Elif, you are in charge now.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you a lot for the nice introduction. Well, we had an amazing morning with our indices, and they are still continuing in a very nice way, especially the DAX. Oh, hold on, I will share my screen with you guys so you have the possibility to see. So there we go. Great. So on DAX, we have a very, very nice long-term trend, a long trend you see over here. And I will just jump also here in the market with 20 lots and get some money in over here and make us all happy. I just opened 20 lots or 21 lots on DAX at the price of 12,770, and let's put our stop loss and our take profit. For this, as always, we zoom a bit out and check how it's going. I will not put the day high as our target. I will go a bit more conservative over here. Let me see. I will put our take profit at at 12,795. 12,795. And our stop loss, I will put our stop loss a bit lower than before. In the first session, we had a bit tight our stop losses, although we booked some profits on some trades. We had the stop loss was triggered because of a tight stop loss set. So now I will make it a bit wide and put it lower than the low of the last since Friday. The low of Friday. I will put it on the low, a bit lower than the low of Friday, which is at 12,675. 12,675. There we go. I will put the same stop loss level and take profit level for our first small position, which we put. There we go. Here, 12,795. Take profit, and 12,675 our stop loss. So great, guys. If you like, you can always send us your ideas and your opinion and your questions on chat. So please feel free to contact us and ask us. Do not hesitate. We really enjoy your interaction. So it's like I put a DAX position, long on DAX at 12,770. Stop loss at 12,675. And our target price is 12,795. There we go. Great. So let's have a look to the rest of the world. So DAX, we had a nice check. Italy 40 made us a great start in the day. We had a very, very nice trade in the morning, and later on we put some trades. Afterwards, it's just ranging, and it lost a bit the waves and the curves, which we love to trade. So over here, currently, we don't see any possibilities. It's very narrow market. As I said here, I think we got today our bread on Italy. Let's check FTSE. Well, also I told you also this morning, it's a quite narrow movement here. To get a nice profit, we need to make sharp movements with high exposure to get some money out. And I'm thinking, let's zoom a bit out. I think maybe it's a nice entry point. Yes, I think it's a nice entry point. You see, for the last hours, it has a constant pullback over here, FTSE, and right now it hit the middle Bollinger Band, and I see over here on stochastic oscillator a crossing over in the underpriced area of below 20%. So I think it's a good entry point for a short buy position. Short, I mean from time. No? We don't let it run for very long. We enter the market over here and expect some profits. So here I put my take profit. I opened a small position because it's just the Bollinger Band in the middle. So it's not a very strong signal, but however, it is a good entry point for short-term trading. So let's put over here our target price. And as I always say, don't leave any position naked. You expose your margin, your funds to the market, and this is what we don't want to do, right? We always save our position. So what we do here, what we expect. I don't expect big movements, but still I see that it will reach. Let's zoom out a bit so we can have a better idea of it. I believe it will go up to 7,755. Let's put our target price 7,755.50, and our stop loss, I will put, well, stop loss, I will put the high level of the opening of today, which is at 7,020. So that's a good price. So this means, yeah, we to get a profit of $141, we risk around, yeah, it's a bit, yeah, it's 1 to 2 hour risk ratio. But because the market is very narrow, I don't want to make it 1 to 1. Yeah, because we had this during the day today, that because we put our stop loss very close or too narrow, and it just wiped out, and later on it moved again to our direction. That's why today I put on UK 100 a bit wider my stop loss. I take a bit more risk over here, but I'm sure that the market will move in our direction. We will have a close look on it, and if we see that the market really goes towards, maybe we can adjust a bit our stop loss on it. So we keep an eye on it and continue. So I will type it. While I'm typing it, I see that my colleague Kyriakos would like to share with you a nice entry point. So I'm passing to my colleague Kyriakos. Kyriakos, it's your turn. Have fun.
Hello, so welcome back to the FX trading desk from live trading room here. So let me share my screen. I have just entered and posted a 4 lots long position on dollar CAD. Here is what I said in the morning. Mondays usually are reversal trend days. Here we see that the price have unfortunately hit our stop loss in the morning, but now is moving up, and I expect to see a close above the lows of Friday. Okay, that's why I have entered a long position. This is my long position. It's already winning us around 200 euros, $200. So I'm waiting for the price to close above the low of the Friday session, and then I will move my stop loss higher, and we can build on that because I believe the movement will be further up. That is, if we have a close above on a 5-minute basis, we need to have a close above the 100 level, which was the low of the Friday's low. So we are looking now live on our trade for 4 lots on dollar CAD. I have placed my stop loss at the lows of the day. Come on, dollar CAD, we want a break above that low and a break above the MA 200 periods, and it's going up. Come on, dollar CAD, it's a very good trade. That's why I have increased my leverage from 2 lots. Now I have 4 lots long dollar CAD. I observe a nice bullish cross here. Price halted there, is now is ready to go up. Come on, we need a break above the MA. It has closed above the low again. It has done it before, but dropped. But now I believe that it will close above the MA 200 periods. So we are closely monitoring that. That's a very good trade for us. We can make some money on that. I remember that we are with 4 lots long on it. So we need to wait for a close above the MA200 in order to move our stop loss higher. And we will build on that. Maybe we open other 1 or 2 lots to build on this position. Just to sum up what we have so far, we have shorted 2 lots from the morning. Dollar yen is still around our execution price. We have shorted dollar CHF. That's a $1,000 trade. It didn't move a bit, just 5 pips, no big deal. We have shorted pound dollar. It's in the money, but again, only just 7 pips below our entry level price. We have shorted euro yen. It's exactly where we have shorted it, 29.6 at 303. We have shorted it. We have shorted euro dollar again, no big movements, but the big movement, ladies and gentlemen, is expected on this pair if it breaks above the SMA of 200 periods. We need to wait for that, and if it occurs, I will show you how we manage the trade. So for the moment, our stop loss for dollar CAD is a bit lower than the lows of the day. Come on, we need to see a close. I repeat, we need to see a close on the 5-minute chart above MA 200 periods. MACD is very bullish, RSI is very bullish, is above 60, but below overbought areas. So all the factors, including the bullish cross of the moving averages, the nice retracement here, it halted above the 50 and is going up. Currently, we're making $300. It's still going up. We will not close that position. We will keep it. Is the money-making position for the day. But I repeat, as soon as it holds above the low of Friday and above MA 200 periods, as you can see, the MA of 200 periods is a strong resistance level, but the patterns I see here are very, very, very bullish, and I strongly believe that most probably this time we will have a break above the SMA of 200 periods. We will see and check accordingly. So we keep monitoring that pair. On the 5-minute chart, I repeat, we definitely need to see a close above the SMA of 200 periods, which is the violet line, the purple, the pink line, call it as you wish, and we will see what happens. The stop loss is the lows of today. Hopefully it doesn't turn back and hit our stop loss, but technical indications, especially on the 5-minute chart, are very bullish, and we will see what happens. Let's make a quick round again. Let's check all the charts we have traded so far. This is dollar yen. The price has reached it went down, but it didn't reach our target. Our target was this level around 109.15. Let's see, but it's still trading below SMA. This is a very strong resistance level for the 15-minute chart on dollar yen. Let's see.
Muted.
So USD CHF is here. Is where we have shorted it. Nothing big. It's a bit above our short position. Our stop loss, I believe, is safe there as soon as we don't break this SMA 200. And on this, that's a $966 trade. We will see how it goes. So far, so good. Let's see our pound dollar. Wow. Pound dollar, we have just shorted it here, and look what's going on. On the 5-minute chart is clearer. We saw a descending triangle pattern is doing great. If the price closes below the MA 200 periods, then we will move our stop loss lower, not at the highs. So we will keep monitoring that. It's only 1 minute remaining. Let's stay on with pound dollar in order to move our stop loss lower. Currently standing at 134. Let's check the spread on euro dollar. It's 2 pips more or less. So have in mind that is the ask price that the stop loss is. So we had a close below MA 200. So I will use my Fibonacci retracement level. The 61.8 is this level here. 133.84 is 85. I will put it at 88. So we need to move stop loss for short GBP USD down to 1.3388 from 1.34. Now we have great action in Forex, so let's change that. 133.88, and it has changed. Let's move on with Euro Yen. We are continuing the FX update. Euro Yen didn't move yet. If I see a close below this level, I will increase my short positions. For the moment, we leave it as it is. Let's check Euro Dollar. We have a close below. We have shorted it there. It's in the money. We will see how it develops. Let's see dollar CAD. Wow. Dollar CAD is declining now. Let's see if that level will hold. Actually, since the risk is very minimal, what I will do, I will use the FIBO 61.8 to increase my long positions. So I will place another buy order, buy limit at 129.10, where the FIBO 61.8 is. So, and I will use the same stop loss, and the same stop loss as the previous position. So it worth the risk because the risk reward will be great. So 129.10, we place a buy limit order on USD CAD at 1.2910 with the same stop loss at the lows, 1.2895. TP, we leave it open TP, and I will place now my buy limit order, 2 more lots, pending order at 1.2910, stop loss 1.2895. So that's my buy limit order on dollar CAD. So I'm willing to risk some more. It's very bullish for me. I hope I'm not wrong, and I believe on that. So let's see how it goes. Now let's go back to Euro Yen. If I see a close below this level, we will increase our short positions. We said pound dollar, we have moved our stop loss a bit lower. Let's see, and let's check pound dollar again. Maybe we need to increase our short positions. So if it breaks below this level, I will increase my short positions. Let's check. So this is the level 133.585. Let's see. So this is pound dollar. Let's see how it goes. We need a close below that to increase our short positions. Let's see how it goes. We will keep the same stop loss. We will keep monitoring that. USD CHF is more or less where we have shorted it. Dollar yen, same story. Let's concentrate on dollar CAD and pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we need it to hold above this level. Let's see how it behaves. We definitely don't want dollar CAD to make new lows and hit our stop loss. We have decided to increase our long positions at this FIBO retracement 61.8. So that's it for the moment. Pound dollar, come on, close below 133.585, and we will short one more lot on pound dollar. So let's get it ready. I believe it will go down. So one more lot. We already have 2 lots short position on pound dollar. We will open another 1 lot. Our stop loss and TP will be the same as the first position. Stop loss at 133.88 and TP 133.35. So we need to wait to close. Come on, short it now. We shorted market price. Another lot. So we have shorted and 1 lot more. GBP USD. TP is 1.3335, stop loss 1.3388. Let's see how it goes. It's a very good trade, a very nice setup. So let's go again back to dollar CAD. Great action this afternoon for dollar CAD. As you can see, it has rebounded. It's okay if it goes up. We want winning trades. Don't be greedy. If this is not triggered, that's fine. We need definitely a break above this level, and what I will do, already I have a buy limit order. What I will do, I will place also a buy stop, so to go with the break above of dollar CAD. So the high of this candle was at 129.33, 434, let's say. We want to buy, the spread is 1 pip, 35, 36. I will place a buy stop of 2 more lots. So buy stop at 129.36. The stop loss for the moment is the same as the previous positions, 1.2895, and we leave the take profit opened. Let's see all the trades. So we have placed a buy stop order USD CAD at 1.2936, stop loss 128.95, TP we leave it open, and of course if it breaks above that level we will adjust all of our stop losses accordingly. So either side we will enter 2 more lots on dollar CAD and we will see how it goes. A quick again roundup. Let's check again our pound dollar trade. How it's doing? It's doing great. Currently falling down to 133.60. We have shorted it at 133.59 is where we have shorted it. We are expecting the price to fall down to 133.35. It makes us some dollars. We have 3 lots short pound dollar. We currently have 4 lots long dollar CAD, and we have a buy stop and a buy limit order. That's our buy limit order for dollar CAD, and that's our buy stop order for dollar CAD. Either one is executed, we cancel the other. So we are making a nice $475 profit for the moment. Our pound dollar trade is actually making us money. Let's see how it will behave. Lots of action for the afternoon session in Forex. So that's why we are making money. That's why we have the spirit, and welcome, and I hope you enjoy it. So the race has started. Pound dollar is falling down. Come on. It has to make us money. The setup was very good. So pound dollar is falling, is making us money. We are currently at $600 profit and running. Let's move on again to euro dollar. Let's check euro dollar. Euro dollar is making us money as well. It has closed below Friday's low and is going down. Now, if we see a close below the MA 200, I will move my stop loss lower. Currently, I cannot do anything. Let's check on dollar yen to see how it's going. It's going up. If it breaks above the SMA, I will keep it. I don't mind. So let's check now dollar CHF. Dollar CHF, same story. It's a reversal on USD for today. In the morning, we observe a weakness of the US dollar. In the afternoon, things have changed. However, since we have placed the trade, leave it and let it and allow it to develop. As soon as your risk reward is okay, don't worry at all about it. So euro yen, it doesn't move. Actually, it's the only pair that doesn't move. I hope it moves. It will move. The setup is very bearish. Let's see how it behaves. Euro yen is under monitoring now. If it closes below this level, which was Friday's high, I will increase my short positions, and of course I will move my stop losses lower. So that's the update for FX. Let me check and see if we have any other trading opportunities. In New Zealand USD, let's check the Kiwi. One moment to check. No, it's still very high. We don't like that. Let's check Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. All right. Doesn't make sense to short it. We don't have any indications. Let's check Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Euro GBP doesn't say anything to me. Euro CHF. Look at Euro CHF. All day with this narrow range. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. So we don't need to deal with Euro CHF. Let's check pound yen. Pound yen is a very interesting currency. As you can see, that was the high of Friday. Let's see If it breaks below it again, then this will be a perfect short opportunity for us. The 5-minute chart is very bearish. I think I'm going to short it now. Just a moment to see. I think I'm going to short it now. 2 lots. Now let's wait a bit on pound yen. Let's wait a bit on pound yen. You know, you don't have to be in a rush. You need to see the good confirmations. I see here a good confirmation on MACD. Elif had just spotted a nice trade on gold. Well done, Elif. Very good catchy point. So we need to wait for the confirmation. MACD gave us a confirmation. We want also the price to give us confirmation. We will see how pound yen behaves. Let me check the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is ready to break below. Let me sell it now. So I have just shorted pound yen. Hello, Marian. Welcome to this trading session. Hello, Fanos, and welcome, Patrick. So we have just shorted pound yen. Let's check. The afternoon session is great for the Forex market. Finally, we have some movements, and that's why we are going to make money. So we have shorted pound yen. Our stop loss, however, let me check my tools here. Let me put FIBO 61.8. It's around 146.64. We have 3 pips spread on pound yen. Let's put it on 70, 146.70, the stop loss. Stop loss 146.70, and our TP now. That's the interesting part on pound yen. The TP for pound yen, let me check. I think I will go for the FIBO of Friday. We are talking about Friday now. I think I'm going to go for FIBO 38.2% retracement level. I think I'm going to go for 145.65. So the TP is 145.65 for pound yen. Let me post my stop loss and take profit. So the stop loss is 146.70. The TP is 145.45. Let's see how this trade develops in a very active afternoon session in the Forex market. So let's check again a small roundup. Lots of action on the Forex market in the afternoon. Let's check our pound dollar trade is doing okay. We have entered the 3rd lot. So overall we have 3 lots short pound dollar. We have moved our stop loss lower. We are absolutely fine on pound dollar. Let's check dollar cut. Dollar cut. Remember, we have a buy limit order here and a buy stop here. We have opened already 4 lots. I believe that we will see a break above the SMA eventually and the price will skyrocket back. We definitely don't want to see the price to make new lows. That's why I have placed either buy stop to buy with a break or a buy limit to buy it here. If the buy limit is triggered, I'm canceling buy stop. If the buy stop is triggered, I'm canceling buy limit and I'm adjusting for all positions the stop loss. I will not leave it at the day's lows. If it breaks the SMA above, it means that most probably will continue to go higher. So that's it for me for the moment. Lots of action in the Forex market. We have taken some positions. Here we are 2 lots short dollar yen. We are 2 lots short dollar CHF. We are 3 lots. Let me put it by symbol. So we have shorted 2 lots dollar yen. We have shorted 2 lots USD CHF. We have bought 4 lots dollar CAD, a very nice setup here. We have shorted 3 lots pound dollar. We have shorted 2 lots pound yen, 2 lots euro dollar, and 2 lots euro yen short positions. Remember that we have placed a buy limit order on dollar CAD at 129.10 and a buy stop order as well at 1.2936. Notice that for dollar CAD, we leave the take profit open. If it breaks above this SMA, I believe we will have a rally to the upside. So why cutting the profits? The important thing is to protect your capital. That's why we have only placed stop loss. That's it for me for the moment. If you have any questions, you can ask us on the chat. Elif, I see that she's also very active. She has just bought Dow at 24,862 units. So I'm transferring you now to Elif to explain what happened on the Dow. Elif, you take the ball.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you, Kyriakos. It's been very, very interesting during the last few minutes. The market moved quite actively, and I couldn't catch up with the charts, how fast everything is moving. For everybody who just joined, Mary, hello, Patrick, welcome, nice to see you. Basically, we opened a DAX position once again, a long DAX position, a long FTSE position, and I just sold gold, and I bought down again because it just jumped, had very nice position, and I was about to set my target prices. It is on a long-term high currently. Dow Jones, I was a bit concerning if I should go long, but because it's on a long-term high, but it breaks through a very critical limit over here, which and so I entered it. Yeah, Patrick, down is your money today. Yes, over there is some movement to expect. And this is what I do as well. So I'm targeting over here a profit, a move until 24,950. This is what we will put directly here in our target price. 24,950 is our target price, and our stop loss is also over here. I will leave it a bit too brief. You see here it hits several times this level and it breaks through, and this is our stop loss level, which I will take. It's 24,660. 24,660. So I just modified it. So this is right now. We see over here we make money on gold. We make currently $640 on gold. Let's have a closer look at it. You see, it's really right now it's crazy how it's moving, and we had a much better price, and yeah, it's really nice how it's moving. And you see what a nice downtrend. We entered on the correct time. I hope you could all follow me, and we have a very nice, we make right now $1,200 on gold. $1,200. It's great. It's this morning we had such a nice trade on Italy, and now also on gold. So hopefully we will get some money into our pockets today. Also DAX is currently, it was a bit profiting while Kyriakos had his session, and now it's has a short pullback, but it's okay for everybody who would like to enter it. It's right now again a nice time to go for a gold, for a buy position on DAX, because it's pulling back. So let me see Nasdaq. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. There's S&P. There we go. Let's have a look over here. Yes, Nasdaq is also crazy. Thanks for mentioning it. I have to. It's a very nice uptrend, guys. Here you have to enter. I'm going in. There we are. So yes. Nasdaq is great. Patrick, George, thanks for mentioning it. It's great. It's a perfect entry point. We follow the trend over here. I just mention it always. I'm a trend reversal trader, but in such a case, when you see a clear trend, then trend is your friend, and we started to make already money on it. Within few seconds, we started to make money. On gold, we make money. It's just a nice time. So before we leave it for long naked, let's see where we put our take profits and our stop loss on Dow Jones. Also Dow Jones on a very high level of a very long-term trend. Let's see, we break through. You see over here, it had a very nice trend from March 2018. It reached this high and it breaks through, and we entered the market over here for a buy position. It's a nice entry price, and we will, let me see how we will put here our take profit and our stop loss. I'm aiming a price of 7,190. Yeah, this is what I'm aiming, because yes, let's put it on our Nasdaq position. Here we go. It's 7,190 is our take profit, and our stop loss is the day's low 700, 7,620. So yes, 6,000. Yes, this is what we put. Oh no, this is too close to the price. What do we put? Let me see. I made a small typo over here, which is totally okay. We put it here, 6,000. So 996. There we go. There we go. So very nice, very nice. We make money on several open position. Gold is running in our favor. It has a short pullback, but everything is good. So we recap now our Nasdaq position. Nasdaq, we went long on a long trend. We followed the trend over here. It's great. The US market wake up and is in our favor. So, and we put a stop loss at, as I said before, this morning I put a bit tight 1-to-1 stop losses, and because the market moved shortly in against us, our stop losses were triggered on several positions. That's why currently I'm trying to, because the market is a bit narrow today, I'm trying to put a bit bigger stop losses. But however, I'm having always an eye on it to adjust our stop losses. So I'm trading a bit risky today. My money management is allowing me to take a bit of risk. Let's say here on the Nasdaq position, I'm risking more than I'm expecting to gain. But as I said, currently it's because of the narrow market, I'm willing to do that. It's okay with me. However, seeing now back to DAX, for everybody who just entered, we have DAX positions open. Right now we have a short pullback of DAX. Let's see if we can maybe open a next nice trade on DAX. Yes, we see over here our stochastic oscillator is confirming that. Yes, we open another one. If we had a pullback and we open another one DAX position to confirm our direction. And our stop loss and take profit we put at the same level as our first trade, which is our stop loss is at 12,675 and our take profit is at 12,795. So very nice, very nice. We just opened again a long position. Yes, George, a long DAX position, long DAX, and we bought it at 12,763.40 and our stop loss is 12,675 and our take profit is 12,795. So George, yes, I went long on DAX because we had a very nice pullback over here. We got a better price and we entered the market to get all this move up. Based on what we made this decision, because here our stochastic oscillator is showing that this downwards trend is coming to an end, and we got the confirmation that the price will continue to go up. And if you look at the long-term chart, you see also here the uptrend is shown. Also here the stochastic oscillator is showing an uptrend and the RSI has an up slope. So we entered a long position. Further, let's have a look to the next one. It's really a nice time to trade. Recap what we are doing. Our DAX position is recovering right now. We have a position on UK is making some money, but we will get there. You see it has right now a short pullback for everybody who wants to enter. Maybe it's a nice time now. No, it's not a nice time. I see it here. It will get a better price. On gold, we are making currently $600, not bad. There is still some air. We can still get some money over there. Then on Dow Jones, we entered the market on a trend. It's currently a bit pulling back. There is some air to get, which we will get. Nasdaq the same. As you see, we had a short pullback, and now it's getting again the power to go up. And the DAX position, which we just opened, is already profiting. So, Patrick, oil is my next asset to have a look at. So we go and have a look at oil. Let me see. You think it's short? Yes. Yes, it looks short, but I have to say, I think we can get a better price here. I think we can get here. You opened already a short position, Patrick. Well done. It's the direction I believe is a good direction. I think I can get a bit better price for it. Let me see. You know what? We are buddies, man. We are buddies. I will enter with you a sell position, Patrick. I will not leave you alone on this. Yeah, I will enter also right now a short position on oil as yes, I just opened a short position, and let me see where we can put our stop loss and our take profit. As you see, it is on a quite high range over here. So yes, Patrick, I got a better price, and I'm sure it will get a bit better even. But however, we are buddies. We go together, right? So I will put my stop loss at the high of the day. What is the high of the day? The high of the day is, let's make it a bit bigger so we can get a better price. The high of the day is 65,944. 65,944. So we will get a bit higher. So our stop loss is 65. Let's make it 66. And our take profit, let's see our take profit. Let's make it a bit short. Take profit. I see our take profit. I will put our take profit very, very conservative. Yes, at 65. So with very narrow limits, I put it with very, very narrow limits to get some money in, maybe even during our trading session. And it's already a bit in a small in a small profit. Oh, Patrick, you made 300 bucks. That's good, man. That's good. Ching ching. Let's see. This is how a week should start, right, Patrick? Let's see. This is how I want to have you guys making money, getting happy, and seeing how the market flows, right? Also, I see on the DAX position, which I opened not long, 7 minutes ago, I'm making already 250 bucks. It's a nice asset, and we had a nice price, right, guys? Anyone else traded on DAX except of me and Patrick? Nobody? Shame on you. Well, you see how nice it goes. Let's see what's next. We had a look on gold, on France 40. We checked earlier. It's not very sharp movement. It looks quite sharp, but it's ranging today. So I didn't make anything. Also, Italy, after the nice move this morning, later on, it was a bit slowed down. I see that my colleague Kyriakos wants to tell you guys something. So I'm passing, and then I will get back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Eli, for the pass. So just a quick and important update on Forex. As you can see, our buy limit trade on dollar CAD was just triggered. And our stop loss for these 6 lots, actually, I repeat, we are 6 lots now long dollar CAD. The stop loss is the same. We definitely don't want price to break below the lows of the day. We leave our take profit open, and we have cancelled the second buy stop order. Now, in order for us to determine our take profit targets, I need to take now the Fibonacci retracement levels of Friday. So I will take the low of Friday up to the high, and I will go for the 61.8. So my take profit for dollar CAD for all positions is 129.57. So I will go for it. I believe on it. I believe it will hold here. Let's see, however, because you can never be certain in the markets. The only thing about certain you need to be to manage your risk. So I have put my stop loss here with 6 lots. I know my risk. My risk reward ratio is okay. So I have absolutely nothing to worry about. So let me put my take profit at 129.57. So take profit for both USD CAD long positions at 1.2957. So we have just determined our take profit here. That's lots of money, guys, with 6 lots. So the first take profit order was placed, 129.57. The only thing that we need to monitor, and look how it rallies to the upside upon testing the FIBO retracement level. Let's go to the end of the chart. I have decided to enter again long dollar CAD because I saw a test of the FIBO 61.8. Here was my long position. Now, the only thing that stays for this trade to develop is, of course, not to close below the lows of the day. And we definitely need to see shortly, and when I say shortly, I mean the next 2-3 hours. We need even sooner than that. We need to see a close above the MA 200. This will confirm that that was the bottom. We are just rushing to take long positions. And why do we rush? Because the risk reward is great. Okay, this is the second position risk, and this is the second position reward. This is the first position risk, and this is the first position reward. So overall, the risk reward ratio is very good. Although we have rushed a bit, but all it matters is always to measure your risk reward ratio. 6 lots is a lot. What did you see? My current account value is approximately $240,000, and I'm just doing a leverage of 3 times. For my account value is not big. I mean, anything less than 7 leverage is okay. And is 6 lots long dollar CAD. I have short positions, I have long positions. The margin is just $19,000. So if you wish to make big money on Forex, you make sure you have a big account. Patrick, regarding this question, and if, for example, you have a $10,000 account, you cannot certainly trade with 6 lots. But if you have a $240,000, then it's absolutely safe. And just to speak with numbers, I'm just risking here around $1,000 on this trade. You told me that you trade. Yes, that's my normal position size. But if I see a good technical signals, I can increase more than that, or even I can build on positions. It doesn't matter if you trade with 2 or with 3 or with 4 lots. It's good to have a fixed position size. However, I know what my risk is if I hit stop loss. The question that you need to ask yourself is that, will you survive that stop loss? If the answer is yes, then go for it. If the answer is no, if you feel that if I hit stop loss, I will bust my trading account, then simply open smaller, much smaller position sizes. Okay, Patrick? You are very welcome. So let's make a small revision of what we have so far. We have shorted dollar yen. Is more or less at the price where we have shorted it. We have shorted euro dollar. It moved up a bit and reached our entry level price. Nothing important here. Well done, Patrick. Good to hear that. Pound yen, we have shorted it. It has just started to move. Let's see how it will develop. Pound dollar, again, it just started its decline. We have opened a third lot on pound dollar. We have opened 2 lots here and a third lot here. Let's see how it goes. It seems okay. We have 6 lots overall on dollar CAD, and I have just explained why we have opened 6 lots. It's not the lots, it's the risk you take per trade. If you can take it, then take the position. If you cannot, and you will burn your account, then simply trade lower. And look at dollar CAD, how lovely it is. We definitely want to see a close above SMA 200, this time on the 5-minute chart. And I strongly believe that if we see this close, we will make lots of money on dollar CAD. And of course, we have shorted dollar yen. Again, it didn't move. So as you can see, the majority of the pairs didn't move. We only have currently a movement towards our favor on pound yen. We are short 2 lots on pound dollar. We are short 3 lots, and dollar CAD is rebounding, and let's see how it will develop. We will keep these positions through the night. If they don't close, we will see how it goes, and we will decide tomorrow what we will do with them if they stay open. For the moment, that's it for the Forex update. I will now pass you to Elif for a brief recap and a closing of this wonderful live trading session. Personally, I would like to thank you, and I will see you tomorrow again at 8 o'clock UTC time. That's 11 o'clock Cyprus time for our morning trading session, and let's hope that tomorrow morning the markets on FX will be more active than they were this morning. Thank you very much for me. Elif,
Thank you, Kyriakos. As you said, it's a wonderful afternoon for trading. I see Patrick is making money, George is making money, I'm making money. It's a wonderful day. Oh, it's a wonderful day. So on oil, we just entered, let's say 12 minutes ago, and we are making already 322 bucks on it. I'm considering to close this position in profit before it's getting, let me see, so you can see also my screen, because before we close this position, this trading session, I think I should close the position to have a nice ching ching, to have some money in before having the nice things. So somehow, are you seeing my screen, guys? Yes. Yeah, great. You see, currently I'm making $332 on it. I will close it to have some money in the pocket. I will close also my nice gold position, which I opened half an hour ago. I'm making over there $1,500. Also, this I will close and get the money, not to get greedy. We have some money and we got that as well. Nice. So on DAX, we have 3 DAX positions open, all buy. Let's see what's going on. Ching ching, we made some money today. It's a nice, wonderful day. For George and Patrick, I think you couldn't. Yes. I made $1,400 on gold. Yes, within half an hour. It's incredible, right? So this morning, for those who couldn't join us this morning, we made also $1,200 on Italy 40 and also on DAX. Then we had some positions which hit our stop loss. That's why I put now in the afternoon our stop loss a bit larger than our take profit. So through a small movement in the market, it will not hit automatically because I trust the movement. So great. Let me see. We have 3 DAX positions, all buy, and I trust the market. It will continue to go up. For everybody who just joined us, now, you can get a good entry price on DAX. If you like, we have also a position on UK 100. It has also a pullback. It's coming to an end, the pullback. So if you want to enter, it's a nice opportunity in a short while. Let me have a closer look at it. Yes. Once our stochastic oscillator will cross over, we will enter it again to have another buy position over here to confirm our direction. What you think? Shall I enter? No. Yes, we have a crossover. Guys, I'm entering a buy position on UK 40, and we put again, because we got almost the same price as the previous one, so we put the same target prices. So we go 7,720 is our stop loss, and our take profit is 7,755. So there we go. I will make you a small. So we went long on UK 100, and our target price we entered at 7,745.45. So, and our stop loss is 7,720, and our take profit is 7,755. There we go. Patrick, you went short on gold. Now, let me see. I missed it. Let me see. Where is our gold position? Gold. There we go. There we go. What's going on with gold? Let me see. Ah, very nice. Very nice. A nice downtrend. You got a good. You are losing, Patrick, because I see on the 15 minutes charts that I'm expecting a pullback. I'm expecting a pullback. No worry. At which price you entered, Patrick? Because here you see I'm expecting here a pullback. It hit the middle Bollinger Band, it breaks through, but the stochastic oscillator is showing me that it will pull back. Okay, I see. It has a clear downtrend, but it will have a pullback for a short term, and then it might continue the short direction. I exit the trade already beforehand because I saw that it's on the oversold area, and I wanted to have a nice exit of the market. So, recap. We closed today a very nice gold position. We closed a very nice oil position, and we made some money today in the morning. We made some money on our Italy 40. I see Kyriakos oil is, I see Kyriakos wants to trade on USD CAD. Oil, what's going on with oil? Yeah, it broke through the support level and the level where we exited. Yes, it's nice. Wow, we got all these move, guys. We got it all. Let's wait, maybe we can put another one. Okay, Kyriakos would like again to say a short, his short idea for about USD CAD. I'm passing shortly to Kyriakos. Hold on.
All right, we are back in the Forex Dex for a quick brief of dollar CAD. It seems that we are right. Price is approaching the SMA, and my update was that if we see a close above the SMA 200 period on dollar CAD, then we will adjust our 6 lot stop loss to 129.10. So basically the second position will go for risk free, and we will just risk 14 pips on the first position. However, we definitely need to see a close above the MA 200 period on dollar cut. It's still there, it's approaching. We need to keep monitoring it. I believe that is a very good trade for us today. Although we have 6 loss, it doesn't matter. The risk is what matters. It's a very good trade. Let me make a small out of dollar cut $50, Patrick. Okay, I think you should wait a bit more to make some more money, but profit is still a profit, my friend. Good job and well done. So let's make a small final recap of what we have current open positions on Forex for today, and we will, if you have any questions regarding any of our positions, don't hesitate to contact us via the chat room. A quick reminder to visit our website trademy.com. Again, there we have lovely educational training programs. We have very experienced professional staff. They can evaluate you for free and suggest to you the best training program that suits you. It doesn't have to be the most expensive one. You will have a free evaluation by our experts, and they will guide you as to which training program you will choose. Also, depending on what you want, what you wish to learn, we can also have a personal one-to-one live mentoring session either with me or with my colleague Elif in order to show you exactly what our methodology is when we trade Forex, CFDs and commodities. Just a quick roundup and we will end this trading session. Remember that we have shorted Euro Yen is more or less where we have shorted it. We have shorted Euro Dollar, same story, no big movements today in Forex. Pound Yen, again, no big movement. What is really moving is Pound Dollar, but as you can see, it has declined a bit from our first position, but the second position for the last 20 minutes is still ranging here. We have shorted the third lot on Pound Dollar. What started to move is dollar cut, and we have spotted it, and that's why we have opened 6 lots on that. And also we have shorted dollar CHF. Let's see what happens. We have the SMA of 200 periods protecting us and a risk of just $550, aiming of course for much more, around $965. We will see what happens. And we have dollar yen, which again, I repeat, this morning was very narrow trading range day for Forex instruments. So that's all for the moment. I would like to thank you all for attending our afternoon session. I will, goodbye for me. I will transfer you to Elif and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have enjoyed your day. In the meantime, until we finish, if you have any questions regarding my FX pairs that I have traded, don't hesitate to send me a message on the chat room. I'm transferring you to Elif.
Thank you, Kyriakos. Thank you, Kyriakos. Shortly, just to recap what we have done today and what is expecting us. So we have 3 positions on DAX. They are profiting all 3 currently. They are all 3 profiting currently, which is a very nice thing. We have also a position on UK 100 is also slightly profiting in the entry level in which we entered the market. It's good. We have also 2 positions on US indices, on Nasdaq and Dow Jones. That ones we need a bit more time to get over there, but I trust our decision and it will follow. All over, we made today all over $2,096 all over. It's a very, very nice, successful trading day for the indices. I hope you could all enjoy it as I did today. Please don't forget to follow us on Twitter so we can update you over there about our trades. So please follow us on Twitter and so you will get always know what we do. For today, we don't have any live trading session, but tomorrow morning we will have again a wake-up call, and you will enjoy the markets with us. So I wish you. Oh, I see Kyriakos has another one. I'll pass to Kyriakos. Kyriakos, go.
Okay, that's all. I have been waiting for the whole day. As you can see, dollar CAD has broken above the SMA of 200. Our 6 lots are doing great. So now we will move the stop loss of both long positions on dollar CAD. So move stop loss for all 6 lots of USD CAD from currently we have it at 120.95 to 129.10. So we will moving our stop loss for USD CAD. We saw that very well expected close above the SMA 20. So I will move my stop loss to 129.10. You are very lucky it has happened now that we are live. So we are moving that to 129.10 and we will update you accordingly. Remember, our take profit is here. It's a nice money here. Let's see how it behaves. And Elif, if you don't want to say anything else, shall we eventually close the trading room, or do you want to make an update?
No, thanks a lot. I had already my update. I wish you all guys a nice afternoon. Join us during our live trading room and you will get also some profits out of it. Thank you very much, Kyriakos, for your time.
Have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thanks, Patrick, George. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, George.
Tomorrow.
Thank you all.
Fanos, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.